Mommy is here with me and we're making today
my favorite fruit this time.
What the heck is that?
Prickly pear.
That's how it looks?
Yeah.
Daddy always bring the juice for me, but I never know how it looks. Where you got this from?
Right in the supermarket where you went.
Prickly pear. It's so good. Daddy
so
brought
good.
this from Orlando, but in the juice. It tastes so yummy. I didn't know this is what it looks
It's
like.
a good food. It helps you. It can help you push everything out.
What does that mean?
For people who can't even go.
Anyway, we're making plantain and peanut porridge today.
That's raw peanut, remember?
Yeah. I'm excited because I'm gonna use the Ninja. And we're gonna blend everything that mommy is telling me. Wait, she's putting cinnamon stick in the water. Okay. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Beautiful kitchen, by the way. Cinnamon stick in the water. So I'm doing this so when she's not here, I can remember what to do because I haven't had this in years. So I said, I want this. So we're gonna make it and yeah, stay tuned. Water and then put this in. But how we're doing the plantains as well.
Fix this. Put on another slot.
Wait, hold on.
You're right down in the proper side. You see it lock? And sometimes you have to hold it because it might get slack. And yeah. Press your power button.
Power start. And then
Any one of them there.
pulse.
Once you can blend.
I don't know. What's going on?
Hold on, let me see if it's in a lock. It's in a lock. You put it on it. It has to be locked because everything will blow right up.
Okay.
See the number come up now? Okay. And then you have to wait until this starts boiling. But I'm gonna use one of these. I love to use. I like to use this. Sometimes I not drink this.
Keep in those things on me.
Bubbling.
Let me do
Turn
it.
the stove up. And then you stir it.
Just keep stirring.
Just pour it in there. That's true. Let go boil and you'll get thick, and then Ali, we're gonna do the. Ali, would you like some peanut chunks? Like chunky?
No.
You want it smooth?
Yes.
Alright, well you got it. Alright, let me see the spoon. Let me the spoon. This would be Daddy's choice because Daddy likes to crack things in his mouth. Smoother?
Yeah, smoother. Smoother. Oh.
One more spinning. Milk to this instead of plain water.
You put coconut milk?
No, you're gonna put coconut milk eventually. Yeah.
Okay.
This one is coconut milk. Remember, say I want good pot in a winner. Half do that way. the car back because it's not work. Because I say whatever you're doing with the cans, it's gonna cut you. You don't want an accident. She have the knife and she try. Let me see there's something there. I feel bad. You remember when we used to eat the coconut powder? Yeah. Ali, guess what Omi tell me this morning? Say one time in give one Gerber to feed Kaylee and they come back the whole Omi say
I did eat the Gerber, Kaylee Gerber.
Omi say we need me just leave her because you know she will eat some of it. It
was so good.
I don't know if Kaylee really
I love
it. Got Kaylee to cut them.
She wasn't eating nothing.
Omi say it look like say
Gerber
Kaylee now.
so good.
It look like say Kaylee I eat but she go so slow but Ali eat like half. And you say, Daddy give me like this feed her again.
No, I remember that when I used to feed her.
Yeah.
And she was not eating, so I ate it.
Yeah. Ali say, but you couldn't, you don't know if you hide because your mouth full of it. And Omi say, him nobody say nothing. I say, okay, I'm not eating girl.
It's true, I did eat it.
Yeah. And the coconut milk, Ali, you eat out the coconut end because we never used to use a whole thing over here, so it heat up.
Oh.
Kaylee, you want anything special? Okay, Ali,
Guys, it's good.
do that too much, Ali. Ali, it will poison you.
Okay, let me put it. Let me put it. I have to learn, right?
Alright, put it away. No, go ahead.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine.
Yeah,
look how big the pot is.
And then you
Porridge?
peanut porridge. You know what's up? Kaylee don't like peanut.
I'm glad you know, Auntie.
Yeah, I almost forgot to say how many are fair. And the different filters. You like, Ali like.
Yeah, which one I like?
You like the saltfish filter. She like the banana.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You know, there's a video of there's what? Put the rest of this?
No, not yet.
Okay, guys, so we're almost done. We're gonna sweeten now. Gonna be quiet, please. Anything. All of it, right, Mom?
No, don't be sure. Just try like that. No. And it's a big pot.
Yes.
And if you're not sweeten up, you add a little sugar. And then you add a little bit more vanilla. And you add some salt. And you make it taste good.
I thought I'm not adding. Yeah, all of it. All of it, guys. All of it. She said all of it. Oh, God. Oh, sorry. I didn't even show you guys. It's this one. I'm going to borrow it to me for pay about feet. Yeah. Alright, guys. So, all of that is in. Sweet noir. Oh, sorry. And now we stir. Guys, it's 30 degrees today. So can't talk to me now. I know for making porridge I want to make. Since when I make no when next one you wanna make?
Kami?
No.
Kami?
Only wheat? I don't remember when. Yeah, everybody just a chatting on my video. Vanilla. Not boiling. And you guys are just talking in my thing. Jesus. She said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to. Alright guys, so this is my porridge. And it's finished. Thanks to my mama.
Yeah.
So yummy.
Hello, hello.